Hello Expedition Explorers! Step into a whimsical world where farm animals and safari animals encounter unexpected adventures. Join us for a delightful tale filled with charm, humor, and heartwarming moments. Learn valuable lessons about friendship, perseverance, and the importance of helping others in need through the charming antics of the animals. Let's go! Let's dive into the unique world of roosters. One of the most well-known features of roosters is their crowing. Roosters are larger and more brightly colored than hens. Roosters are essential for the reproduction of chickens. Roosters can be territorial and may establish a pecking order within the flock. Our next stop, the mighty buffalo. Buffaloes are known for their massive, stocky build with a large head, short neck, and curved horns. Water buffaloes typically have larger and longer horns compared to African buffaloes. Buffaloes are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses. The enchanting world of cheetahs. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grassland and savannas as their speed is better suited for chasing down prey in these areas. They are found in parts of Africa and a few isolated populations in Iran. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs are usually solitary animals. Creature feature the clever fox. Foxes are highly adaptable animals and can thrive in various environments, from forests and mountains to urban areas. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Many fox species are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristics, sizes, and fur types. Unveiling the secrets of black bears. Black bears are the most common bears in North America and are known for their adaptability and wide range. They inhabit a variety of ecosystems including forests, swamps, and mountains. Adult males typically weigh between 130 to 660 pounds. A closer look at these curious goats. Goats are milk producers and their milk is often consumed as an alternative to cow's milk. Certain goat breeds such as the Saanen and Alpine are particularly known for their high milk production. There are numerous goat breeds worldwide. A documentary on the little animal is Squirrel. While squirrels are generally solitary animals, they can exhibit social behavior, especially during the mating season and when sharing a common food source. Squirrels have numerous natural predators including birds of prey, snakes, and weasels. A deep dive into the world of sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. The average lifespan of a sheep is around 6 to 14 years, depending on factors such as breed and environment. Sheep are found all over the world. Discovering the charisma of pandas. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. They mainly eat bamboo, but they may also consume small mammals or birds occasionally. Meet the masked banded raccoon. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals known for their distinctive black mask markings around their eyes. Adult raccoons typically weigh between 10 to 30 pounds, with males being larger than females. They have a bushy tail with alternating dark and light rings. A close encounter with the lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. Lionesses, along with the dominant male, work together to defend the prized territory against intruders. Our next stop, the enigmatic hippopotamus. Contrary to their fearsome reputation, hippos are herbivores. They mainly feed on grass and their diet consists of about 80 to 90 pounds of vegetation per day. Hippos are known for their territorial nature and are considered one of the most aggressive animals in Africa. Get ready to roar with the powerful lion. Lions are known for their social behavior. They live in groups called prides, which consist of related females, their offspring, and a coalition of males. Lions are territorial animals and prides defend their territory against other prides, and lions are carnivorous animals. Observing the striking yellow-black iguana. They are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America. Iguanas vary in size, but they are generally large lizards. Iguanas have long tails that they can use for various purposes, and iguanas are herbivores. Adult iguanas can vary in size. Now it's time to discover world's largest animal, blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on earth and is known for its incredible size and unique characteristics. Adult blue whales can weigh as much as 200 tons or more. The average lifespan of a blue whale is estimated to be around 70 to 90 years. Unveiling the mysterious Black Panther. Black panthers can be found in various parts of the world, including Asia and Africa. In Asia, they are often identified as black leopards, while in the Americas, they are identified as black jaguars. They are adaptable to various habitats including rainforest, swamps, grassland and savannas. And our next animal kingdom is elephant. Elephants are highly social animals living in family groups led by a matriarch. Elephant ears are large and shaped like the continent of Africa. They play a critical role in regulating the animal's body temperature. The African elephant is larger than the Asian elephant. Adult male African elephants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Get ready for the bull edition. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. In some cultures, bullfighting is a traditional sport, particularly in Spain. In some agricultural settings, bulls were historically used as draft animals. Exploring the mysteries of the tiger. Tigers are territorial animals and the size of their territory depend on factors like the abundance of prey and water. Tigers communicate using vocalizations such as roars, growls, and chuffing sounds. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour and leap distances of over 30 feet. Horns and hooves. Let's unveil the rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but they may also consume leaves, branches, and fruits. While some rhino species are more solitary, others, like the white rhino, can be more social and form groups. Rhinos are known for their horns, which are made of keratin. The amazing journeys of reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Reindeer are known for their long-distance migrations. They can cover hundreds of miles in search of food, often moving in large herds. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America. Thank you for watching our farm animals and safari animals stuck in the sandbox episode. Subscribe now for this delightful adventure with farm animals and safari animals stuck in the sandbox, where every moment is filled with laughter, hurt, and unexpected surprises. Until the next Muddy Show, bye bye Expedition Explorers!